The 0xc0000135 error in Windows typically indicates that a system file or required system component is missing or corrupted. This error often occurs during the startup process of Windows and results in a blue screen crash, commonly known as the blue screen of death or BSOD. The specific error code refers to a missing or malfunctioning .NET framework, a software framework developed by Microsoft. When an application or system component reliant on .NET framework tries to execute and finds that the required .NET framework is missing, damaged, or incompatible, it triggers the error. This can happen due to various reasons such as incomplete installation, malware infections, or accidental deletion of system files. To resolve this issue, you can try the following solutions. First, start your PC and press your F9 key repeatedly to access the automatic repair screen. If your F9 key doesn't work, try your other F keys like F8, F7, etc. If you still can't access the automatic repair screen, first start your PC and press the power button while it tries to load Windows to force it to shut down. Do this 3 times in a row to access the automatic repair screen. Click on Advanced Options.
never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions.